What is up, YouTube? It's Ricky Bobber, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. The number one thing that I get asked on my channel in the comments, no matter what topic I'm doing, is what mirrors I have. Alan, down in Chula Vista, which is like 10 miles south of me, messaged me. He's like, hey man, I've been watching your channel for a while. I just got my bike. I'm interested in those mirrors that you have. Where'd you get them? So I said, you know what? Hang on a little bit. So I reached out to the manufacturer. I told them that I've been referring people to their company for a while, and I have a little YouTube channel and stuff like that. And they were cool enough to send me 2 pairs. One pair is going to be for Alan. I'm going to hook him up, and we're going to install it on his bike. And then another pair I got from them is going to be given away at the end of this video. That's about $150 value. Usually the chances of winning something on my channel are very good because I don't have too many views, I would say. But last time I gave away my Built-Well lane splitter, like transition visor, maybe 10 people entered, and that was like a $125 visor. So watch to the end if you want to get some new mirrors for your Indian Scout bobber. And also I wanted to showcase this jacket I got from Indian Motorcycle. Arrived today. Since I am an ambassador, I do get some stuff to try out, and this jacket is dope AF. This hat is really cool too. This is actually my style hat. It's a little bit different than what they usually offer, so I grabbed this one ASAP. So if you go to indianmotorcycle.com, probably by the end of the year, which is 2023, you can probably still get a discount. It's going to be code RIC10 for 10% off the clothing line. So off to Chula Vista. All right, this is Chula Vista. I don't think I've ever been down here in any of my videos, but I mostly grew up down here. I know these neighborhoods very well. In fact, I don't know if you can see it, but there is a billboard like half a block away. And this is not even urban legend, like this is real. There was a missing girl. Her name was Laura Arroyo, and there was a blank billboard, and the lights shining on the billboard, and people were saying that the shadows looked like her in the middle, and people were coming from all over the place to check it out. And this part could be false, but I believe that her body was found in that same area, which is freaking trippy. I'll put like a little article or something up on the screen if I can find it.
On the evening of June 19, 1991, 9-year-old Laura Arroyo answered the door at her home in San Diego, CA, and was never heard from again. Flyers with Laura's picture were passed around a few hours after her disappearance, but it would be Laura's body was discovered about 6:30 a.m. on the sidewalk of a Chula Vista industrial complex by 2 women reporting for work. The complex is about 5 miles from the Arroyo home. A few weeks later, something strange happened. A little girl's image seemed to appear on a billboard overnight. People from all over were going to San Diego to see the mysterious image on the billboard that was believed to be the image of Laura. The image gradually faded, but not before what appeared to be the image of a second face. Some say it was the image of her killer. Her killer was an old neighbor of hers and wasn't found until 2003 and convicted in 2005.
Nice. Clean as fuck. What's up? How you doing? Nice to meet you, Rick.
Rick.
How are you, man?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Dude, it's super clean, bro. How do you keep it so clean? Would you detail it?
Yeah, I use like the generic, what do you call it, like chemical guys.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, I heard of them. They're actually probably one of the more popular ones.
Yeah.
I am recording right now, just by the way. So yeah, check it out. These are courtesy of Highsiders.
Yeah.
Do you have the 6mm for that?
Is that the stock?
Yeah. Oh yeah, it should be under the seat.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
I learned that from your video.
Oh, right on. Sweet. I learned that from somebody else's. Passing on the knowledge. Cool, man. Yeah, you ready?
Sure.
Cool. If you have the stock seat, this is going to be underneath, and this is a 6mm. You can use pretty much any 6mm Allen key. So yeah, here we go. So that came out just like that. I'm gonna put this here, right here for a second. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Okay. And then, okay, I'm gonna put this here, and you do need a smaller Allen key for that. Because this is sort of universal. This isn't just for the scale bobber. This is for anything that has like that size bars or around that size.
Yeah. Oh yeah, those are nice.
It's got the matte black on it too, which goes really well. Do you know what size that is? I'll put it up on the screen if we can't figure it out.
I'm not sure how to say the number. It's a fraction.
Okay. Oh, okay. So it's
32.
532. Okay, that should work. Yeah, perfect. So yeah, I just gotta loosen this up. There we go. Right there. It's in there. All right. Bam. So like I was mentioning earlier, it does have, it is for different sizes. So these come with little adapters. I already know ahead of time from doing mine that that you need this one. This is gonna fit on just like that, over that, and then it's gonna squeeze in there like that. Now, I do have a little trick that I thought of. I haven't actually done it to mine, but I wanted to do it to this one as long as you're okay with it.
Yeah.
Sometimes when how do I say this? Sometimes when I'm on the track, right, going fast,
Right.
like 80 or 90, they will move. But I'm gonna score it. So this is what I mean by that. I'm gonna take something and I'm gonna scratch the inside of this little plastic, so that way it doesn't move the line.
Gotcha.
You see what I'm saying?
Like get more grip.
Yeah. Well, you can tell me later on how well it stays.
Okay.
Shoot, I wouldn't. Do you have a knife on you?
No.
Mine actually
Sarah's-
just got.
Let me run
No,
up
that's
again.
fine. That's fine.
You sure?
I'll use it.
Oh.
I usually carry a knife, but it got confiscated at a Padre game.
Oh yeah. Yeah. They make you throw it away.
Yep.
I've been there.
Actually, the guy took it. He put it in his pocket. I'm like, enjoy that. This is plastic, so it's it scratches pretty easily. Not inside of this too. This is metal. The inside. It doesn't really need too much, probably just a little bit, so it snaps on each other.
Okay.
Might be easier with a knife if you have one. Came a little unprepared. I'm sorry.
No, it's all good. I mean, I can run up and get one if it's
No,
going to be better.
This is fine. I typically use whatever's in reach.
Yeah.
The MacGyver in me.
That's the best way.
Alright, so this goes back on here. That. In there. Oh, so it does rotate. So if you want it to go the other way, you can go like that. So it doesn't matter which one you start with. It is better. So, do you want to have them upside down? I didn't
Sure.
ask you that.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll actually swing it on this way. So here this is actually a funny name. It's actually called a funnel hole. You got the little holes in there. You can either go this way or you can go that way. I'll do it this way. I think it looks better. This goes through both of them like that into the bung hole. I can't say bung hole without that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so my recommendation is to put them inward because you just have more room. Like if you lane split, here in California you can lane split, so it's just going to give you more room. And the visibility is pretty decent. It's not as bad as someone may think it is. So again, so 6mm on that one. This is to tighten the bar end adapter. And then you're gonna have another one right here, which is I think maybe a little bit different than the other one. Let's see. Nope, it's the same. That's good to know. I actually didn't even know that. So yeah, it's pretty simple. It's I don't think that's going anywhere, man. So you see, it does move a little bit, but that's actually a plus because sometimes you might have to adjust it. So, you know what I mean? So yeah, there is still a little bit of wiggle room to adjust it. Like I noticed with mine, it doesn't move unless I'm going up to like 100 miles per hour or if it's windy or something. But that should hold. You want to do the honors and take the thing off?
Oh, the plastic?
Yeah.
Sure.
I don't know. That's a weird, satisfying thing for me.
Yeah.
It looks dope though, right?
Looks pretty good.
Yeah. Highsiders. They are available on Revzilla. I'm sure Highsider probably has a website too. I'll put that up on the screen if there is one. But let's do the other one. after that, tacos.
Looks legit. I like it already. Alan, thanks for taking me to the spot, dude. Hella good.
Yeah, no problem.
Birria Los Güeros on, where is it? Main and 4th in Chula Vista. If you're here, check it out. It's really freaking good. Almost forgot my backpack. All right, man. Well, thanks for hanging and thanks for letting me do the video and stuff. Let me know what... Huh? Oh, say what?
Oh, I appreciate the help in the mirror.
Oh, yeah, no, man. No worries, man.
Yeah, man, just keep doing what you're doing. I learned a lot from your videos.
Thanks, dude. Appreciate it. And it's a fun little hobby. I enjoy it. All right, man. Ride safe. Oh, that food was so good. I am definitely coming back if I'm in the area. I might even come here if I'm not in the area. All right, wrapping it up, you guys. Thank you very much for tagging along. I've been Ricky Bobber. Special thanks to Alan for letting me do this video with him, and hope you enjoy the mirrors. Thank you to Highsider for supplying me with the mirrors, and also for supplying the ones I'm going to give away. And to win those, if you want a pair of these mirrors, go to my Instagram, which is @RickyBobber, and then find the reel of me washing the motorcycle today. Comment, and you'll be entered to win these, and I'll ship them to you within a week or so. I'm about to get gas because this tank is empty. Later, guys. Okay.